the greatest. Pencil, no, feeling that. It's good, guys. About to do a pre-market setup. Didn't do one yesterday. Just give me a second while I invite everybody on to the YouTube. I also get myself set up as well. One person. Time is it? I'm gonna give it till 4:20 until I start. And give some people a chance to get in, get on the live. Might catch some trades for tonight. Who knows? Go ahead and share my screen real quick. All right, so I'm just gonna get this started. All right, bet. So Monday, I didn't do one yesterday, so we're here on Monday doing a pre-market setup. All right, hope everybody had a good weekend. All right, sure everybody had mad food since it was Thanksgiving. I know I did. So let's get ready to eat up on the markets for this week, man. I'm gonna start off with GJ. All right, hop on a 4 hour. All right, I'm on a 4 hour. All right, cool. So it was bearish last week. It was starting to become bearish last week, so I didn't really trade it that much because I'm a bull. But now it's kind of showing some signs of a bearishness from yesterday. So for now, for the week, like I said, let me hop on the fire real quick. There was some imbalance from the presidential election. This right here, it didn't get fully filled. Let's see. Kind of reached its highest point over here. Come down real quick. Let's see what's up. All right, word. So I'm on bull right now. This is what I'm waiting for tonight, basically. Super quick. I broke our major level of 1.139 flat. All right, I did that. It's kind of ugly, but you know, still going that path. So I'm just waiting for it to come all the way down here. I'm gonna see what it does at this major level right here. See what that do. Because as you can see, this major level is obviously of importance because of what it is. But as you can see on the left, right, you got a rectangle, not a rectangle. Looks right here. All right, you got a point right here. All right, reacted to when it came down and retested. Come on, man. All right, you know what I mean. This right here. All right, and then you have another reaction when it came over here, consolidated around this major level, and did the same thing and reacted and went up the opposite way. Okay. Same thing going down to the opposite way, right? Reacted going upwards. Okay, came down. Right, like I said, it was on a downtrend. Started to go to a downtrend. Last week, going into this week, right? I thought we were gonna keep going down to fill, that gap, that full imbalance. It kind of filled it when it came over here, but I was expecting for it to fill all the way down here. But we will see though. But yeah, I was expecting for it to go all the way down to keep going on a downtrend, but it kind of reversed. So it did a reverse, right? It stopped doing its high highs and high. It stopped doing its lower lows and lower highs, right? And started making its high highs and high lows. Questions here. Right. So it stopped, consolidated over here, right? Came up, broke, came onto this mid level. So this was going into today. 29th was yesterday. So there's thing going into today, which was this morning from London. Okay. Went all the way up to that major level. Okay. Now this is where I thought it was gonna keep taking. Fortunately for myself, like, because I'm a buyer, right? It stopped. It hesitated at the mid level again. So I was like, cool. So I'm gonna see if it breaks this major level, and I'm gonna wait for a reset. So came over here. It double topped. Actually, triple topped, as you can see. 1, 2, 3. But like in the current situation right now, it double tops. Okay. Came down. So it made a high, low. Broke through for a higher high. So like, all right, cool. Because I really thought it was gonna tank from right here too. Like when it came over here, I thought it was gonna tank. But when it came over here, I thought it was really gonna tank because double top and a big ass rejection on a major level. So just from my thinking, like I'm thinking it's gonna tank. Plus it was on a big downtrend too. Yeah, I thought it was gonna tank. But it just hesitated and made a higher high. So I was like, all right, cool. So I have a chance to get into the trade now. Maybe not today because the market was gonna close, but going into maybe Monday night, going into next tomorrow's London, right? I would have been green for a buy. So now it's just like trending down. What time is it right now? Yeah, it's 4:22. Market's about to close. So Asian session coming up, bro. I'm just waiting for hesitation on a major level. Simple as that. All right, hesitation on the mid level, and then I'm going for my buy. All right. Like I said, guys, you need to watch the candle. You can't just enter the right here, real quick. So you need something like this. You need multiple wicks on this level. You don't need, you don't want to see like, one candle wick one time and then, all right, cool, I'm in there, right? If it's like a well-known candle that's like a reversal candle, like a doji on top of a major level, then yeah, you would have been green for a buy. But you can't just have like a regular candle because as you can see, it just, went through it, rejected under it. Like at this point, at any time at this point, they could have just kept going down and down and down and down. You need to see some sort of price action or some sort of, hesitation that this support is going to be a good support that's going to be held. So you just got to be very patient with your trading. All right, you don't want to rush anything because when you rush your trades, you're gonna lose money. I'm telling you right now. So just be patient. So like I said, like I always say, wait till Asian session. All right, that's between 7 p.m. till 12 p.m. Right? Even if it gets like closer to not New York, London, like 2 a.m. or 1 a.m., that's even better because it's gonna carry out even quicker for you. So yeah, the longer you wait to see what you want, the better it's gonna be for you and your earnings. So this is what I'm waiting for. Waiting for it to take on this major level, and then I'm waiting for it to take up. I want it to go up to the next major level as always for 100 pips. And I'm gonna have my usual 10 pip stop loss. Long position, just to show you guys my risk to reward ratio. Stop loss right here. TP all the way to the next level. 100 pips to the face. 10 pips if I lose. 10 pips is $10. I don't care. 100 pips, $100. That's valid. I'll take that any day, like always. All right. So it's good risk to reward ratio, and it's doing exactly what I want right now. Yeah. However, if it does tank again, man, if it just breaks, all right, it's gonna keep going down for itself. Like I believe that's gonna keep going down for itself. It does one of these. Does one of these, breaks through, comes up again. Yeah, it's going down. So like I said, just be patient and watch the prices, and yeah, just make it move whenever you feel. Any questions? Can you look at gold? It's been with everything going on with the country, presidential election. Got you. Gold right here. But before I move on from GJ, anybody have any questions on GJ? Going once, going twice. Alright, we're on to the next. Alright. So someone asked about gold. Alright, I haven't looked at gold in so long. Let me just mark it up. Got my October target, never hit. Never hit. Not nowhere near close, bro. That's crazy. But yeah, I think gold might just keep selling. It looks like it's on a mean downtrend right now. Yeah, let me just mark on my chart real quick. This is crazy. Reset chart. 1800. All right, I didn't even want these. Raymond Johns. All the flats. 1900. Top 1960. Consolidation 1860. What makes you say it will? What makes you say it will? Well, if it breaks, not just break a low through. Are you talking about TJ, bro, or gold? Let me know if you're talking about GJ, bro. I'll go back to it after gold. 1800 major level. 1700. $17.40. There's not put at 1740. It's because of the left side right here. In case anyone was wondering, because of this right here. It was used as a big resistance area. All right, so that might be important later on as it comes down over here. So we'll see how that plays out. But if you dumb it down now, like obviously it's on a big downtrend, so I think it's gonna keep tanking, to be honest with you. Right? It looks like it just keeps consolidating. Like every time it consolidates, it just does a breakdown. So yeah, gold been goofy, bro. It's like no structure. So every time it just consolidates and just breaks down, maybe that's the play. I don't know. I don't really trade gold like that, bro, but that's what it's looking like. Yeah, consolidation, breakthrough. So how long did it consolidate for? Damn, days, 2 days. Wow, it did nothing, absolutely nothing. This was during Christmas though. I mean, not Christmas, Thanksgiving weekend, I think. Yeah, coming into today. No funny. I think we need another breakdown. Like this is like about to be the close of New York. So going to Asian session is gonna be gonna do a breakdown, maybe not towards Asian session, towards London session. Like that's what it seems to be doing. But I'm not even gonna trade this. Like the only way I will trade this is if it shows signs of, you know, what I always look for. I need a retest of the level it broke, and then some signs of going down. So I need this uptrend, blah blah blah. That's hideous. Go up. Had to sit over here, and then as you know, we want it to go down. All right. That's the only way I'm gonna get into the trade. But if it consolidates, you guys can definitely, you know, do one of these rectangle box, you know, draw the consolidation box and just wait for a break going upwards. If it goes upwards, you're like going against the trend, so it's on a downtrend. So if it breaks upwards, you're gonna need a little bit more than just you know, a break and a retest. You're gonna need several high highs and high lows, and then a reversal, and then a continuation going up. So that's gonna take a little bit more time. But if you're gonna follow the trend, and if it does go down, all right, what is my tool path? And does go down, all right, do that. Obviously retest off that. You could have got into there. Like you could have got into the break, like it always does right here. Like it seems to be doing, it just breaks. One candle going back up and just tanks. Right, you can go on the break, or you can just wait for the retest like me. I would like to wait for the retest, but if you're gonna wait for the retest, make sure you're on your chart. Like make sure you're focused on your chart, because it seems like it just does an immediate retest and then just tanks. So you gotta have a trigger finger from like over here. It's probably big manipulation, right? Manipulation. All right, there was no retest. Okay, so sometimes it could be like that. So if you want to enter on the break, you can, but I don't really advise it. All right, I like to be sure on my training, but if you I don't know. I'm just giving you guys an option, so do what's best for you. But I'm just telling you, I'd wait for retests. Okay, so that's what gold is doing, and I'm gonna go back to GJ real quick. Just gonna read the question. What makes you say, well, if it breaks and not just break a little bit? What do you, yo, Ethan? What do you mean, bro? What I mean, like if it keeps going up, like if this support doesn't hold and it breaks through, retest, it keeps going down, then that's like it's gonna keep going down for a reversal. I mean, not a reversal, a downtrend. So that's a break of structure right there. Feel me? Does that make sense? Maybe. I guess that makes sense. All right. So that's GJ. That was gold. All right. No question. All right. Got you. All right. Cool. No question on that. I'm going on to GU. All right. I always say all GBP pairs are very similar, but GU is doing a whole lot of both, bro. A whole lot of nothing, bro. Like it's terrible. It just consolidated, as you can see. But what I did notice this morning, like that's why I say always hop on a higher time frame when you guys are training, right? Even if you like know like what you're doing like from yesterday and you already know the trend you're in, like always just hop on a 4 hour, because you never know if you're gonna reach like the highest point in the market where it previously was, right? This could easily be like a big reversal right here. Like this could be a big double tap right here, right? Because it's consolidating right now. So consolidating between the major levels, two major levels. And when I see this too, I'm thinking reversal, okay? But just because of the presidential election right now and how the US dollar is gonna weaken, right? I feel like it's gonna weaken, right? That's my bias. So it's GBP is gonna overtake USD. So if this consolidation breaks, right, this is a big consolidation box. So if you don't want to, you can trade this as a range, right? This is just it looks bunched up because it's on a 4 hour. But if you're on a 15-minute, you can trade it as a range and just buy at the bottom of the range and then get out the top, and then sell at the top and get out the bottom. All right. So that's between major levels. That's easy money. You could do that. But just be careful with the when I go to the 15-minute chart, I'll show y'all. But yeah, if it breaks consolidation like this is what I want. I want a break of this consolidation and this major level, which is like under it right now. A retest, okay, and keep pushing up. All right. Yeah. Wow. Yeah, that's the highest it's been in a while. So yeah, we gotta watch out for this because it could. Yeah, we just gotta watch out. It's a 50-50. So be careful ranging, guys, because you could lose bread if it breaks either way. All right. So just be careful. Make sure you're mindful and be straight. All right. It could break any minute prices, whatever it wants. All right. So let me dumb it down to the 15. Let's see if we can get some entries for tonight. See, even at the major levels, it just sometimes breaks straight through. It doesn't hold like the structured the major level doesn't hold, but it sometimes just breaks straight through. You think it's gonna keep going all the way down and it just reverses to go all the way up. So you just gotta be mindful of where you're at and what just be mindful of the left and the candles that's were in the past. All right. A lot of wicks. Yeah, this looks crazy, bro. I don't even recommend trading things like this, bro. Yeah, but this looks insane. But yeah, like I said, if it comes all the way down, right? I have this marked up too because it's like another support right here. As you can see, marked over here, boom, boom. It looks wild, bro. If I were y'all, I would just hold off on Geo. There's other pairs you can choose from. Just hold off on Geo and anything like this. Because first of all, you don't know where it's gonna go, and second of all, it's like very hard to trade. You gotta be like on the ball with it. You gotta be staring at your chart and waiting for the right moment. So that's GU. Me personally, I'm not doing it. I'm not gonna stress myself over it. I have GJ, and GJ's perfectly fine right now. So that's cool. I've been trading GA a little bit too. I've been liking GA how it moves. I used to never trade GA. I mean, I have, but not often. No, I'm back on my bully with GA now. GA is on an uptrend right now. All right, even though overall it's on a downtrend. Currently, it's on an uptrend. So it's on a 15-minute. Let me see. All right, wait. Oh. All right, bet. So it's just chilling on this mid-level right here. So what I'm thinking for tonight is tank all the way down to the major level. All right, one or two things could happen. And it basically happens with everything, basically. This is like repetition. This is why I like, I guess you could call it a strategy. I don't know, whatever you want to call it. But zone-to-zone trading is just so simple. All you have to do is just wait for each level to be hit and then just make your move when it gets there. So like I said, I'm waiting for it to come all the way down here, maybe reject a little bit on here, and then make my move over there. Or it breaks above, retest, and it keeps going up. Or it can just keep consolidating right there, like on the mid-level. All right. If it keeps consolidating on the mid-level, right, depending on where the price is at and what time it is, right, if it's on the top, right, if the price is on the top and just keeps wicking, then I'm definitely going to buy that and take my take it up to the next level for 50 pips and then have my 10 pip stop loss as usual, which is no questions. All right, cool. And maybe my 10 pip stop loss as usual. Yeah, I gotta watch out for here too, because over here could be easy double top and then just reverse and tank. Let's check out the news, man. I hope y'all been using the tool section. This is all I use on my phone now. Economic calendar. Japan 1830 today. 1830 is what's in military time. I hate military time, bro. Somebody help me. It's the only confusing thing about Forex to me right now. It's the military time. It's mad annoying. All right, I'm figuring out myself. Time is it now? 16:30. All right, 4 o'clock. 4, 5, 6, 6:30. That is 630. I bet 1830 is 630. For Japan unemployment rate, that is huge. Unemployment rates play a big part in the market. All right, so we gotta watch out for this. I don't know. I don't think I'm gonna trade GJ for tonight, unless until the unemployment rate comes out. I'm gonna see what it do. So that can affect JPY drastically. I'm gonna do a little bit more research on that, or even peep. Labor force status, population 15 years old and over. That's what I asked for. Like how TradingView does this first, just gives a little explanation. And another JPY is too. Another JPY news as well. Shortly right after. Building approval. Damn, GBP and JPY news, same time, bro. Why? Of course, bro. Of course. Check. I don't check. Oh, it is NFP week. Damn it. December 1st. In case y'all didn't know, 10:30. Thanks, sir. NFP week is non-farm payroll. That's where a lot of interest rates and unemployment rates come out, and that play a big part in the market. And that week is a high fluctuated week, guys. So just be very careful if you're a beginner, especially. Just be very careful of that week, especially if bread in there. You shouldn't have bread in there if you're a beginner, but in case you do, I advise you not to even trade that week because it's too fast and too unpredictable. So yeah, damn, slow week this week. It's all good though. It's all goody. We gonna see what it do though. I'm gonna cut during weeks like these. I tend to cut down my lot sizes. So instead of like my normal 0.1s, I just do a 0.05 just to, instead of using $10, I just use $5. It's all good. Just to be safe, right? Just to be safe. I don't want to lose unnecessary bread because the market wants to do whatever it wants and act up for no reason. Feel me? But I bet. So if that's the case, then I might have to go to my backup plan on Euro. EU. EU's been moving beautifully lately. Look at that. That looks mad good, bro. All right, but let me finish working on my chart. I don't think I'm even with my mid-level at. Clone 19,500. Whoa, look at that. $19,500. All right. So that major level is important, I bet. This is why we always look to the left. All right. So if he was in this trade for a buy and he did not look to the left at all, let's say he was like right here, right? And he was like, let's say you didn't, for some odd reason, you didn't have your TPN, right? And he said, all right, cool. It's just going to break through that level and just go on to the next major level for some reason. I don't know why would you think that, but whatever. So if that happens, right, and you didn't look to the left, this could happen to you, right? All that profit, if you're somebody like me that uses 0.1 for everything, that's $100 you would have made, right? Got in perfectly, broke on a dip, boom, got in right here, hesitation, right? Had your 10 pip stop loss, did not hit at all, straight profit, $100, right? You didn't put your stop on TPN, or you didn't look to the left and realize that, oh, when it came over to this major level in the previous time, it tanked. So history tends to repeat itself. So when that happens, man, came up again, same level. What happened? Tanked. All right. So it didn't stop. It even stopped through the mid level, bro. It just kept going through the mid level. Now it's on its way back to the next major level. So all this profit you made or would have made, all gone. Okay. So just be very mindful. Always look to the left, guys. Always look to the left. So it's gonna protect you and your earnings. So if I were to play this out, right? Because right now it's on a downtrend. Okay. Lower low, lower high, lower low. It can make a lower high any minute. Okay. If it comes all the way down here, I'm more interested. I'm not interested in none of this. I'm not gonna go in the middle. I'm just waiting for it to come down to the major level. So me personally, I don't know what's gonna happen. I feel like it's gonna keep tanking. Feel me? Because that double top from the left that we just experienced, we just saw, right? It played a big role last time. So we might see it tank all the way down. Who knows? So if it does, you already know the drill. Break, come up, keep going, break, come up, keep going. All right. Obviously, it's going to be some fluctuation. It's not going to be perfect, but you know, you get the gist. But if you want to buy for this one, like I want to buy for it, I'm not selling ever. If I see a clear sell, I'll sell it, but I'm not even looking for sales. Okay. Looking for hesitation on here. Okay. Hesitation on here, and then some bullishness. For me to be even more safe, I want it to even come all the way up to this mid level to clear all that out. Come back down and just keep going. All right, just to be safe. All right, so that's EU, my backup plan. All right, that's pretty much all I trade. If you guys don't have any setups, I'm gonna just hop off. Anybody have any questions, setups, comments, concerns? Nope. All right, cool. So I'm gonna end it right here, right? I hope this has this helped you, and I hope everybody makes bread this week. All right. Just be mindful of NFA week, and you know, just risk manage. Keep your loss out of the small, and yeah, hit me up in the group chat in the community if you have any questions, and I'll see y'all in the next one. End it.